Hello, so today I'll introduce our latest product, the wireless Apple CarPlay USB dongle. This product will only work with cars that have factory wired CarPlay. If your car does not have factory CarPlay, this will not work. So let me take out the product. The first thing you'll see when you open our packaging is our user manual that is in both English and Chinese. And we have a product certificate. So I'll take out the product. And this product is actually a two-piece product. You can take it out and use it like a USB if you'd like. And it uses a USB 3.0 inside. And you just plug it into the factory USB port. And if you wait a few seconds, a new menu will appear. Starting Apple CarPlay. And after a few seconds, you'll see a Bluetooth name on the menu. So after that, you go into your settings, Bluetooth. And click on the Bluetooth name. And once you've clicked on the name, some prompts will appear, and please accept all prompts. Use CarPlay. And like that, after a few seconds, wireless Apple CarPlay has been successfully connected to factory wired CarPlay. And now I show you some functions of CarPlay like real-time navigation. To Shenzhen University.
One option is Shenzhen University Yuhai campus on Nanhai Avenue number 3688.
And that's real-time navigation. And now I show you online music enjoyment. You can listen to Amazon Music, Spotify, and anything that CarPlay supports. And you can skip music to the next song by moving the selection knob to the right, and you can go to the previous one by moving the selection knob to the left.